what we have not written is there are about 214 crores of unnotarized, which is also by notes in the process of being notarized. So about 700 crores out of my notes at 580. And this was extra done, my note, because there was an exercise done so that there are many claims, because there are many counterparties who are trying to, my notes, now in my situation.
Where is the money?
My lord, just a minute, my lord.
Where is the money?
My lord, the money can be given directly to the account of the what Supreme Court will say, because otherwise, till the time we have written to the ED says, till the time Supreme Court says, my lord, it cannot be done within 6 weeks, my lord.
ED is not.
Please understand, this is, my lord, I am.
So where is he expected to deposit this amount?
Yes, my lord.
Kindly have a look at the order, my lord.
We have the order with us. We had said that you have to raise funds to the tune of rupees
By the next date of hearing.
Right?
Deposit in the court or give it to the SFIO.
Second, we said that you provide us a list of all immovable properties free of all income.
Not provided.
And also those properties where some claims have been put forward. Where is the list?
Yes, ma'am. There is a list.
Have you given a copy to Mr. Raju?
My lord, actually, I tell you, my lord, the reason is time was less, there was paging and all, there were difficulties. My lord, it took a long time to get this list, which is absolutely unencumbered, my lord. And at item 77.
So now,
yes, my lord.
Two things. Let Mr. Raju look into this information which you have furnished today as regards the parcels of land owned by the company free of all encumbrances, and also those properties where you have created some interest or charge.
Two more things.
What?
One is that irrespective of this money, I am also taking undertaking, and one petitioner is here, my lord, to give an undertaking that any claim. Just a minute, Mr.
It is not the complete list. It is the list of attached properties which the ED is having.
My lord, this is unencumbered properties.
With respect.
On the list.
There are other properties which are not attached.
We know that at least 2 passports this lady. We found out that there are 2 passports of the lady had.
Then we dismiss the matter.
My lord, there is, my lord, allow me to speak, my lord. Before my lords are, my lord, prejudiced.
He is showing as her land.
My lord,
and wants your lordship to pass orders. We are suffering for last 4 years, 3 years.
Correct.
My lord, they are all misprejudicing, my lord. Hear me out.
This one order.
She's been taking the court for a ride for a long time.
Now, can I, my lord, address?
By what time you will deposit this 580 crores? You have raised the funds, no?
My lord, can I now, my lord, say to you?
Yes or no?
Yes, my lord. We have rather given a.
Tomorrow or not, Monday you deposit this amount.
My lord, it can't be deposited in. Why? Because, my lord, the people have given an earnest money and those checks are here. These are named, whatever accounts my lords will say, these, my lord, these are property.
Forget about all this. Allow us to pass on it.
My lords, can I?
That's
so allow me to, my lords, have 1 minute of my lords, and then my lord may pass, my lords, because they have prejudice, my lords. There are 2 things, my lords.
They don't have the capacity to prejudice the 2 judges.
No, my lord, they're trying, my lord.
So don't make such.
Very well, my lord. I'm so sorry.
We are not so.
I'll withdraw my lords.
We have desire.
I'll withdraw my lord. I'll withdraw my comment, my lord. I will withdraw my comment and seek my lord apology for everybody. My lord, I am saying that have a committee which they also desired.
Last time who appeared?
My lord,
Mr. Ranjit Kumar appeared.
My lord, I did my lord, there was an exercise to be done.
Mr. Ranjit Kumar today?
My lord, he is not here today, but we did a long exercise.
How will he be here?
My lord, we did this is an exercise we have been doing for 3 weeks, my lord. Now,
Take down.
My lord, my team. My lord, all I'm just one thing, my lord. Thereafter, please allow me that 1 minute, my lord, that I had sought, my lord. 1 minute, my lord. My lord, anybody. This is an in addition that we will deposit. Anybody.
What is this in your hands?
No, these are checks.
What checks?
My lord, earnest money checks that people, my lord, whom
Why
we
are you
have given a
showing
list.
checks to us?
My lord, that was still in my
There's a
hand.
big fraud committed with a check of 500.
Where is 580 crores which you have raised?
My lord,
in
this
the
is
time
how,
period which we granted to you.
my lord, allow me to answer in two different ones. Number one and number two.
Where is the money? Show us the color of the money, Mr. Counsel.
My lord, that is what the thing is, my lord, that I have raised this and my lord had given 6 weeks
This
time
must have
for
been
such a long time.
Against our land.
No, my lord.
I suspect.
My lord, this is a suspicion. My lord, may only say two things, my lord. Just 1 minute that I've sought, my lord.
Enough.
Only one thing, my lord.
Enough.
Thereafter, my lord will see if there's a prejudice.
762
My lord, only one thing, my lord.
762 of 2021. 2 appeals, right?
My lord, can I only say one thing, my lord?
And writ petition.
My lord, can I only say one thing?
Writ petition also. my-
Can I only say one
Which
thing?
Writ petition 31 of 2020.
My lord will allow us to,
Common करके, common करके.
my lords will allow us to say just one thing.
Nothing.
My lord, perhaps it is going to help everybody, my lord.
No, it's not.
Just one statement, my lord.
Finished.
If one statement will help everybody, then I will.
What stakes?
Yes, my lord. My lord, I am saying, first of all, these are all unverified claim. I am ready to give the money to whosoever, my lords, come within 2 days, not even the third day.
That's it.
To, my lords, let there be, my lord, let there be a proper, because I am guilty. I am a victim of political, my lords.
This
I am a victim, my lords.
this court-
I am ready to give
This court passed the following order on 23rd August 2024. Quote the entire order. The order referred to above, by our aforesaid order, we had made ourselves very abundantly clear that if the respondent accused is unable to raise the amount to the tune of rupees 580 crore, then we would dismiss the petition filed for clubbing of all the FIRs, invoking Article 32 of the Constitution, and the bail granted by this court would also be liable to be cancelled. Today, when the matter was taken up for hearing, learned counsel appearing for the respondent accused was not able to make any positive statement
Lords,
as regards the amount referred to as
my lord, we have made a statement that we have raised. My lord, we cannot sell the land. We cannot sell the land because it is attached. All I'm saying is, my lords, if my lord will see the earlier orders, my lord will have to permit that.
Don't interfere.
Lord, I'm making a
Enough.
positive statement.
Enough. Enough.
It is a, I'm sorry, my lord, but
Mr. Counsel.
I'll bow, my lords. I'll bow, my lord. I'll say it something later.
There seems to be no progress in the matter. In such circumstances, the Article 32 petition seeking clubbing of all the FIRs is hereby ordered to be dismissed. The SFIO shall now proceed further in accordance with law. The bail granted by this court
Manoj, he has already been 29 months jail.
stands cancelled.
My lord,
We grant 2 weeks' time to the respondent accused to surrender before the authority concerned. All the FIRs which have been registered in different states shall now be investigated in accordance with law. We leave it open for the Enforcement Directorate also to proceed further in accordance with law. With the aforesaid, all the petitions, all the caption petitions stands disposed.
Malad, there are.
May I?
Malad,
if I may-
May I now say, my lord?
Number one, my lords, there are contempt proceedings which are pending that may remain, my lord, because he has committed cross contempt of this honorable court. Kindly have a look at this.
We have disposed of.
Not this person, there's a third person who's come forth and misled this honorable court, my lord. Therefore, contempt notice has been issued.
Contempt notice issued to whom?
Against one buyer, my lord, who
One
submitted
monastery.
submission before this court.
We clarify that there are some contempt proceedings also pending. The same shall remain before this.
Yes, my lord. And
Malad,
SFI
if I
has
may-
filed one petition.
My lord,
There
may
is-
I
if I
only
may
say,
submit-
with regard to bail,
Something I have not completed. SFI has also filed a petition saying that we'll only investigate the company law aspect of it, other FIs we need not investigate. That may be clarified. Because SFI, under the
So
Companies
you
Act,
want SFI to investigate what?
only the Company Act offence under 447.
That's all.
That's all. Other offences will be investigated by the local police.
We clarify that the SFIO shall investigate only offences relating to company law.
Yes.
Rest of the offences shall be investigated by
Respective police.
respective police officers. Such matter.
Malad, if
my
I
lord,
may
can I
be
seek
permitted-
one clarification, my lord?
Great.
My lord, this honorable court.
My lord, can I get one clarification?
To look into all these details, there is a bill of the chartered accountant.
Beg your pardon, Mr. Raj.
This honorable court had appointed the SFI to look into the claims of all these persons.
Ah.
We have been looking at it, and for that purpose, this honorable court also permitted us to appoint a chartered accountant. Some remuneration payable to the 49
Who has
lakhs
to
are
pay this?
payable to the.
My lord,
Who has-
6 crore we have deposited.
SFI has to pay. He has
Court's order,
deposited
we
6
have
crores. After that
deposited
6
here.
crores, we'll make that payment of 49 crores, 49 lakhs.
So from where shall this amount come?
My lord, we have all deposited that amount. We have deposited 6 crores for that purpose. Out of that,
How do we request you? How do we request you?
may I? Sorry. My lord asked.
Don't get so desperate. You are a professional. Exhibit professionalism.
Yeah, please.
Exhibit professionalism.
I-
You are appearing before the bench of the Supreme Court.
Yeah, please.
Don't make it like a trial court or something.
May I please, my lord? Sorry, my lord. Sorry,
At least make us feel that we are now in the Supreme Court of India.
may I please?
Initially, at the time when bail was
Which
granted,
is that order you are referring to by which
6,
chartered accountant was permitted to be appointed?
There's so many.
28th of October 2021. And periodically payments were being made.
You do one thing.
That 6 crores is deposited.
Give us a note in this regard to the court master. We'll look into it and
Very
we'll add it in the order.
Malad, if I may, if
There
I
is
may
one more
permitted-
thing, my lords. With the ED and the SED, we should be permitted to sell auction of the properties and make payment.
So who is stopping you, Mr.
Very
Raju?
good.
Now we have not, everything is over, finished.
Malad, if I may be permitted, Malad, just one issue.
No, ED,
Others,
not ED's
run away.
request. ED's
From the
request.
passports that she had. So the ED must take action.
ED is not entitled to take action on
Or
passports.
SFI or whoever, someone should that she has run away. She must comply with the order of the court.
Lord,
That's all I can say.
He is
There's a very
present.
powerful man standing on your right
Exactly.
and also on your left. Right? Both will take care of
The
it.
most powerful.
If I may-
No,
Malad,
there is
just-
one.
just one issue, Malad, I had filed an
The
application.
legislation made. It is subject to our appeals before the appellate tribunal of ED, because our lands are sought to be sold by, which ED has attached. So Lordships may not say anything about ED.
We are not going to.
That's-
say
that's
anything further. All that we will like to add about that bill which has.
Yes.
That man must
Agreed.
have worked.
Great.
Right? Okay. So you
Malad,
give that
only-
note to
Malad,
him.
Can I
only
make
one
a-
issue, Malad, I
Can
had
I
an
make a humble-
application for a.
Can I make a humble request, my lord?
It's over now.
Can I make a humble request, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, so that it does not come in the way of my lord, rights. All I'm saying is, my lord, my statement is that I've paid everybody. This is unverified. Allow me to continue to pay whoever my lords come.
Continue.
My lord, please observe, otherwise this will help me to pay. My lord, otherwise, not from the lands.
Today we are not going to observe anything further. Any further observation will unnecessarily create more
No,
complications.
only, my lord,
My lord.
otherwise there will be so many people I will not be able to pay, my lord.
My lord, with great respect, my lord.
My lord,
My lord,
I have undergone,
Suo moto contempt, we have to take it.
I have undergone 29 months of
My
my lord's
lord, may allow
imprisonment,
me-
my lord. Otherwise, I'll not come out.
My lords may allow me to just speak
If
one
my
part.
lords will not give me that
My lord,
right,
there was an offence of 420 and she has already served 29 months, my lord.
If you
There
want
can't
to
be two
come out-
councils, my lord.
If you want to come out, you need to pay something, right?
my lord, can my lords clarify that if
We have not said anything further. The aforesaid order shall not come in the way of the respondent accused if she wants to apply for bail afresh.
may I please, my lords? Yes.
There are two issues, Lord.
Whereas I am appearing for the state of Karnataka, Malas, I am being led by Mr. Devdutt Kamath. But he is unavailable, Malas, I am seeking some accommodation for today.
No difficulty.
We are quite eager to hear this point of law
I-
involved.
This is part heard matter. And my lords have last time also observed on the request of state that this is entirely a legal issue which is to be decided.
Yes.
So my lords,
But like-
unnecessarily it will only linger on the state's request to have a
So
council.
what do you want us to do?
My lords, I would request if my lords could proceed with the matter.
How much time will you all take?
Malas, may keep it on any other day,
How much time will you?
Malas, not more than 20 minutes or so, Malas, on behalf
From
of.
your,
Will take about an hour
1 hour.
at the most. They have to learn. There are three issues. Okay. Second is the reference in Manju Surana, which is pending. And the third is the reference in Chandrababu Naidu, which is, one is the 17-day reference, one is the 19 reference. So these are the three issues.
No, but reference will have to be decided by a bench.
Lord, yes, Lord. So I must